Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. Today I'm gonna be playing YBA, and then I'm gonna be fighting all the bosses with D4C electric. So let's get into the video. I got Gyro's hair from Fang, 10k money. I don't know why I wasted my first boss is going to be Leaky and Luca, so yeah, let's go and beat him. Sorry guys, I haven't uploaded in such a long time. Okay, let's go. First, let me show you my build. Okay, I'm not using any like fighting style, so yeah. You can copy it if you want. Let's see. Get max love training thingy. Okay, let's get into let's go and fight the boss. I'm gonna be using my voice for most of my videos because I can't use chat bubbles. I used to use chat bubbles. So yeah, let's dominate this guy. He's probably gonna die from barrage, I don't know. Oh well, he didn't, like normal bosses. Oh no! I probably can beat him with my fists. I don't know. Easy! Anyway, next boss. I might farm, if we're doing bosses, you might see me take quests, because I also need to farm money, because look, my thingy, I'm rolling really low, and I need a max level, so yeah. Okay, so next boss is Leaky. No, not Leaky. We already did that boss. It's the second boss, Bruno Bucciarati. So let's get in. Let me show you my combo, guys. So first, I Y him. Should be able to Y him. Yes. Okay, and then I U, and then barrage. Then I love train on him. Well, love train is not that long. This stand's broken as OP. Like, it's so good, but it's really hard to get. You have to get first place SBR, and then you have to like go to SBR, get first place, which is really hard, and there's really Rikers and stuff, which I hate. Why is there? So yeah, it took me forever to get this stand, like legitimate forever. I'm not gonna be able to do D over Heaven boss today, guys, because as you see, I do not have all the quartz parts. I only have a rib from second place SBR. So yeah. Anyway, third boss is Toxic Pancada Fugo. So yeah, I guess it'll be easy. I don't know. First I'll T him, then I'll barrage him. That's low train. Come on, attack me. Attack me! Wait, how am I taking damage? Oh, love train's gonna be done. Ah! I'll get you. You. Get him. Get him. Get him. Okay, we're clapping these bosses. Well, I don't know why. I'm losing health so easily. I just don't know why. I love the pink glowing eyes of this stand. It's so cool. Okay, I think the fourth boss is, yeah, pesky. This takes forever to walk over to him. Anyway, join my gang. It's called Doorbell. I forgot my password actually. I think it's 1234 or something. I don't know. Okay, burn him. I don't even know if I'm gonna outsmart Pesky. I have barrage. Love train. Come on, Pesky. Pesky. Got him. Got him to half health so easily without taking any damage. Oh, probably a bit of damage. Leave me alone, Pesky. Pesky. Yeah, got him. I really don't like Pesky because he's not my favorite boss because he can stun, but you can counter him with barrage really easily. Rabbit stand. Rabbit. If you guys want the thingy, like the, you know, the sound effects, so I guess so. I don't know if you guys can hear because I put my volume to 1. Or actually, I should just change my volume. Let me just change my volume. Put that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but I'll put 3, I guess. Okay. Let's get him. Let's get Pesky. Oh wait, we just did Pesky. We need to go in. Yay! Now I can get boxing. I might save it, but nah. Okay, now we have to go and do White Album. Okay, what's this music? I don't like this. Oh wait, Jesus spawned. I thought that was music. Okay, anyway. Oh, look at him. Get him. I love this movie. It does so much. Got him in one end. Got him easy. This is so. We're clapping these bosses. Okay, easy. Volume's too loud. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay, we're clapping these bosses as though it's okay, time for Diavolo. People say Diavolo is a joke. Like a joke. Bruh. Bruh. Why am I taking forever to spawn? Can't I just spawn at the castle? Let me spawn at the castle. Yeah, that's gonna take forever. Why I got the most unlucky spawn again? Ah. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on notifications, whatever, all that stuff. Wait, let me see, because they changed the amount of money you need for specs for spin. Please teach me first, I'm missing one of my. Find me and then it'll cost you. Still 10k? But spin is 5k, wow. Moody, oh. No, sorry. What are you doing? Okay, I thought he was gonna attack me. I hate YBA. He's really annoying unless you do that ladder trick, I guess. I might do the ladder trick or I don't really know. First I'm gonna try soloing him because he's a really annoying boss with his trash epitaph. So I don't wanna take that much damage. And I hate rage Medina, so I don't know. I guess I'll try soloing him. And I can try perfect blocking all his moves. Go. Okay, I think I got him. Ah, no. No! I was so close. God, no! I was so close. Okay, this is the first time I ever lost to YBA. That's so embarrassing. Oh god, the most strongest stand, one of the most strongest stands, lost to YBA, and I used luck train only one time. Wow, I'm gonna use his luck of cosmetics. Wait. So I still have it. Okay. And then I'm gonna put YBA luck. Put that, and then put that. Yay. I guess I'm Dopavalo. Well, no, there is a 6 pistol user. Now stop ranking me! Stop it! Stop ranking me! Stop ranking me! I hate 6 pistols. Dun. Okay, time to beat YBA. I hope he's not gonna kill me because I feel so scared and I almost beat him, but his trash bleeding effect. No! I gotta use. D4C! Got him. Got him. 11.7, that's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie, 1.7. How did he heavy punch me when he was in barrage? What? That's so weird. How did he do that? Oh god, stop spamming that! I hate this. Okay, I'm doing ladder trick. Ladder trick time, guys. I can't believe I lost to D4C. That's so embarrassing. Looks like I gotta get used to this thing. But I didn't even use the explosion thingy. It's the thingy. If I lose to D4C with the like ladder trick, I'm gonna be so embarrassed. I might end the video right here, right now. God. Oh God, I feel so embarrassed. Guys, leave in the comments if I should get on with this stand or boxing, because I could trade the Quentin's glove for a headband. So yeah. God, I feel so scared against JoJo Part 6. I don't even know what to do for him. Like, probably I'm gonna die. I definitely know. If I kill him, I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm like that, like beautiful rubbish put into rubbish. I hope I don't die. If you guys are wondering if I can't, why I'm not dashing, because I can't use dash on full afro blocks, and I'm using that thingy, so bomb him. Wait, what? He gotta use Raging Demon so early, what? He can't use Raging Demon right now, what? How did he? Let me go. Oh God. Now stop it. Stop using your chop. Oh wait, why didn't I use the ladder trick? Just live. I must kill him. Oh my God, how am I still alive? I soloed him and look at my health. Oh God, pure luck. D4C. Okay, D4C is a good stand to fight bosses. It's like an okay stand, I would say. If I had Hamlin, this thing would be so much easier, or Spec. God. The next boss is Dio. Dio the Oreo. Morning. I love it. Okay, I don't have Dio luck, but I'm gonna try Gyro luck. Might work. Gyro luck. Or should I try Joseph Toomey luck? I don't know. Let's try Turtle Man Tail. I hope this is not gonna be hard. Cause this is a time stop spammer deal. Deal over Heaven's Worth. So I'm lucky that I'm not doing that boss too. I don't have all the core stuff. Cause if I did, I would be fighting him probably like right now, but with a spec, because there's no way I would fight JoJo Part 6 and Deal Over Heaven without a spec, but I have to do JoJo Part 6 because there's no excuses. But I already did the first on the check. Okay, already. What? Well, or probably, yeah, he spawned probably in Ellie's speed, so I could call that good. Oh God, I hate this boss. On your own Easy. Easy. Claps. Time for Jotaro. And then the worst boss, Jojo Part 6. God. Wait, another gold coin spawned? What? Okay, that's just luck. Okay. Okay. I hope this is not bad. Come on, catch the cover. No, they're gonna time stop. They're gonna time stop. Okay, easy. Now for the worst boss. Why do I have to do this? Why? Why? Just why? Is any skill 2 points worth 2 points down or something? That's 4. I might get health regen, I don't know. That's 1. Yes, okay, that's a good build. Okay, bruh, stop! You want me to kill you? Huh? Okay, time to go. And yeah, I don't know what to do with JoJo Part 6.
Bruh.
When I tried, I got a quarter of his health. I almost got half. I think, I don't know. So, I got the most luckiest spawn. I'm lucky. Lucky me. Lucky me. If I don't beat JoJo Part 6, I mean, who can with D4C Love Train? No, stop. I hate this. D4C Love Train. Got him. Got him. Easy. No, stop. Please, stop. Protect me. Someone help me. Thank you for taking on him for some time. Now you understand how hard it is. God, I hate this. Oh God, I feel bad. Oh God, let me heal. Wait. Until I reach the E. No, he died. I hate you. Why is he doing 1.9 when I did? No, stop. Okay, I need help. Can someone help me? What? That knockback is... What is that knockback? What is that knockback? From here, I got flung all over to here. where Borgano Borlana is. Wow. You guys should get sticky fingers. I don't know. I hate this. This is the worst boss. Everyone does not like JoJo Part 6. Comment down below for who does like JoJo Part 6. I hate this. Got him. Stop. No! I hate this. I'm going for one more goal. If I lose, I'm gonna end the video. Please. God, no. Please. No, stop. Why can't I move? No, run. White blox.
感じたぞ。いつが来る。
Dance party. Why am I crying like a baby? This is weird. So weird. I'm crying like a baby. Like I just lost my foot. Stop it. Stop. Stop. I'm limping. And I'm not gonna be JoJo Part 6 with me limping. Never ever in my life. Wait, am I standing in the sky? This makes no sense. Okay, thanks, JoJo, for joining. No! Gum. Stop, please stop. No, stop! Stop, JoJo! Okay, I'm going one more time, cause I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, I got the luckiest spawn ever. But I need to think of a new combo. Plus, instead of using God, I need a new combo. Leave a like in the whatever. Just leave a like so then I can make a new combo. I don't know what it is. Why can he platinum slam it? It makes no sense. How is his range so good? This is JoJo Part 6 should not be alive. Why is it this hard? Okay, guys, I'm ending the video. So guys, I'll see you later. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.